For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and then we're going to turn our work and we're going to add a single crochet into the very first stitch right here at the base of the chain. Then we're going to add a double crochet into the next and continue alternating single crochet and double crochet all the way until the end. Now, the very last stitch again is going to be a half double crochet, but because we're working it into the top of a single crochet, you do not have to worry about working it into the top of a turning chain. For the lemon peel stitch, it doesn't really matter if you alternate double crochet, then single crochet, or single crochet, then double crochet. I personally prefer to start my rows with single crochet because then I only have to worry about one chain for my turning chain and I don't have to go back and work into the top of that turning chain. So technically, you can even start your beginning chain with an even number, but if you started with an odd number and then always start with a single crochet, you will always end with a half double crochet and you will never have to worry about the top of that turning chain. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I try to avoid that top turning chain as much as I can. But that's it for the verbal instructions. You're very welcome to still crochet along with me, but if not, I hope to see you in the next video where I'll show you how to add a single crochet border and the little loop part. But other than that, stay safe. If you enjoy these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. Consider sharing this with your friends and make sure you save it for later. I try to post as frequently as I can. Actually, I think I'm posting every day again. So there we go. The key of the lemon peel stitch to get straight edges is to make sure that every single crochet goes on top of a double crochet and every double crochet goes on top of a single crochet, and that accounts for the height difference between the two stitches. Now, I have done another video tutorial on alternating the single crochet and the half double crochet because that was my favorite stitch. It still is. It's not my go-to as much anymore, but I've decided, because it's been a year and a half, I think, and I still haven't been able to find the name. So the other stitch I'm going to call the orange peel because it's a little bit wider, it feels like, because the half double crochet isn't as tall. So if somebody else wants to name it something else, then it'll just have multiple names. But here's the end of the second row. I'm going to add a half double crochet into the very last stitch. And then to make it into a square, we're going to work it for a total of 20 rows. And then at the end of the 20 rows, I'll show you how to turn it into a pretty little pot holder. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next part.